Daytime Live. So we're joined by none other than Skip Marley via Skype. Welcome to Daytime Live, Skip.
Hey!
Hi, greetings.
Greetings. So, Skip, we haven't heard from you in a while, but you are back with a #1 song featuring R&B star Her. Now, tell us about that song and how it came together.
Well, I did have the song, but it never really was complete to me, So a man would suggest why I don't reach out to somebody, So me did I think about the artist and say, what about her? I said, all right. Now let's see if that's possible. So we reach out to her team and, see if, she's willing to do the song and just say, yeah. And then, from there, she go in the studio and she do the song and then we get it and it just complete, Just like that.
Nice.
Because he has a natural talent, you see.
Right?
So just like that.
Him and her.
Now, Skip, you are a part of the next generation of Marleys. On a personal note, do you sometimes feel pressured or anxious or feel like, it's going to be a hard time living up to the legacy and the expectations that would have been set by your uncles, by your mom, by your aunts?
No, it's not a pressure. No, so there's a responsibility, but for me, it's
nice.
Yeah, and it's a light for me. There's not a pressure on the back,
I love that answer. It's not a pressure, it's a responsibility.
I like that,
I love
that perspective.
Yeah.
Carry forward, carrying this message, this legacy,
Yeah.
So fun.
It's really good. Now, Skip, it's the holiday season. What is it that you love the most about the Christmas time and Thanksgiving and, the season? What's your favorite part of it?
Family come together, family gathering is always the best part of these things, these celebrations. Whenever we get the chance to come together, we love to do so.
Yeah, that's nice.
And then when are you coming to Jamaica to perform?
Home.
No, you notice him say my home is in my head?
I'm going to say the Jamaica cruise that come up, so we'll be there.
Woo! Nice. Is there anybody in dance hall that you're actually listening to at the moment? Any favorites?
No, not really.
Okay. Right.
Besides we, not really.
That's what I'm saying. You don't want to the Marleys.
I hear that. But Skip, I hear that you just shot a music video as well at the moment. Tell us about that, about the music video that you just did, and the track as well.
Which one you thought? Okay, yeah.
The one that you did in Jamaica?
With a UK artist? We got some underground information.
Yeah, Bugsy Malone, Bugsy Malone's British rapper. So yeah, we shoot that at Port Royal.
Oh.
2 days ago.
Was the police station? Okay, nice. So I hear as well that you're a fan of the Reggae Girls. How proud are you of the Reggae Girls? Tell us about that.
I'm so proud, for all they've done and all they've accomplished and all they're to do. There's so much work to do, and I just love seeing the community, get with the program, and start support the girls and really take it further. And also my mother, as the ambassador, there's so much great things about them, man. I'm just looking forward to the next match because I'll be there every time.
Nice.
Well, tell your mom hi for us from Daytime Live and consider this our official invitation for you to perform on Daytime Live, okay, when you come back.
All right.
We'll give you a whole, any amount of songs you want.
Yeah.
It's yours to do here.
Yeah.
All right. Ooh, nice.
And when is your plans, though? When's your plans for coming? I'm just pushing you. When's your plan to come and do a special performance here in Jamaica? What's your next one you have on your head?
Jamrock.
That's
Yeah,
it?
Jamrock. Yeah, I don't know what else. Who knows what happens? I don't know. We'll see.
We'll see.
Yeah.
It was an open invitation here, so if you want to come tomorrow,
Yes,
we're
that's what
good.
I'm saying.
All right?
Hello. Don't have to wait for then.
Thank
and I
you,
love your
Skip.
T-shirt, by the way, Skip. It's nice.
Thank
My
you.
My
Yeah.
home is in my head. So is
All right.
mine.
Okay. All right. Have a good one, Skip. We'll talk soon.
That's it. Nice.
Thank you. Bless up yourself. Thank you for joining
Your
us,
home
Skip.
is in your head.
My home is very much in my
everything
head.
is in your
My
head.
entertainment is in my head. My life is in my head. My whole fantasy, I tell you.
In your
it's great.
head.
That was great. Yes, and guess what?
When we come back.
Daytime Live. It's actually World AIDS Day today, and we will be talking all
Well, it's actually
about
December 1. Yeah,
December
fast forward the
1st.
thing because your birthday is in
know.
December.
I'm thinking
it's
about my
okay.
birthday.
I realize what you're doing.
You know.
Yeah,
You
I
know
got
what
you.
I
I see
mean.
what you're doing.
You know what?
But we're going to hold it just a
Stick
bit.
and stay, we soon come. You like that? Stick and stay?